Hello, I'm Dad.
And I'm Storm.
Welcome to our indoor golf studio.
Yep.
Pretty nice.
It
Yeah,
really is.
yeah, I think. Last video we showed you guys how we are keeping track on all our followers. So the jar of followers is on the table, and as mentioned, every time we hit 50, we will put in a new ball. So yeah, but today, Storm, we actually need to celebrate some news, some good news. Yeah, what had happened since we haven't posted in a while because you were sick, and actually we should have played 9 holes this weekend. But yeah, we live in Denmark, and some of you know the weather in Denmark is unpredictable sometimes.
So you get sick.
Yeah, yeah, you were sick, and also it rained a lot. And we play golf for fun, and we are not really fan of playing in the rain. So instead of playing golf, we made this. But what have happened since we last made a video? You have something you want to share?
I last from a couple of time ago, I got card for the big track.
Yeah, permit for the big track. Yeah, we were out playing 9 holes with the chairman of the junior department, and after 9 holes we had a chat, and he thought you actually did quite well. So then we played 9 holes more, just you and me, and we talked about it afterwards. And he were quite happy with Storm's progress also during the training sessions. So actually, he already granted you the license for the big track. Only our local big track, but that is all, or big course. Sorry, that is also a very beautiful 18 hole courses here in South Jutland. It's called on English. So yeah. So we are now allowed to go out and play 9 or 18 holes whenever we want. I think that's very amazing. Congratulations, Tom.
Yeah, maybe one day we should play 18 holes.
Yeah, we will definitely do that. But you know, it's yeah, you can get tired when we just did 9 holes.
I know.
So 18 holes is yeah, quite a long time, but that's also okay.
Yep.
So yeah, I think it's very nice, Tom. You can say you have played golf for quite some time. You did a few months when you were 5 or 6 years old. Then you had a break, and now you started again. We started again, both of us. So, but I think it's really amazing. You have played for what, 2, 3 months, and now you have the license for the big course. So yeah, we want to take you out on the big course a lot more during the summer, and yeah, make some cool content when we are playing. So yeah.
But also, when I got the you call it license, or like that's what you call it, for the big course.
Yeah.
I also dropped down to 85 in handicap in
Oh
golf.
no, 54.
Oh, sorry, 54.
Yeah, that is the start handicap. Yeah, but you have a handicap now, right? We talked about when you were not allowed on the big course, you didn't have a handicap, but now you do. So if you're playing some good rounds like you did last time, you will drop in handicap, right? But that is also the goal. You talked about it could be quite amazing to be a part of the Masters or a PGA Tour sometime, be a professional golf player.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you need to drop down in handicap to do that.
Maybe even end up in the TV.
Yeah, maybe. But for now, we will make our own content here. So yeah, I think that was it for today. Do you have anything else you want to share, talk about?
Not really.
Not really for now. No. Thank you for watching, everybody, and have a great evening. Bye.
Bye.